Pillars.
Yes.
More changing it from 6 to
4.
are they?
Pressure.
Pressure.
Yeah, you see pressure. No?
More load no.
The load. Yeah. Baba.
When the last time you can say be any two. Na
Then
sana.
I say we one side bet. They can say you one side. The one side I play.
Okay, this is an empathy bia. Oh sure. Because me boy is an me anta money manka.
Ah.
Yeah. Bibia
Oh, man can't do it.
because me no me use 6669 here. Ana ebia na biaba. Bia. Nti we no I didn't tell load baba so. I didn't also move reduce load no I didn't have more change margin say move reduce load. Yes. Say first you decided say 6. Me come say na wa chere nkofo mu. You decided say 6 na dey before. I didn't have more decided say 5. But set up beforehand now we so reduce load.
Yeah.
It ain't much change margin.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but Bob is a reduce.
Who reduce load? Let me patch say. Then the 6669 cost. And I didn't hear. I feel what decided say you will reduce load. You always explain to him. I didn't hear what change your mind. But over here now when you say you will reduce load. But didn't you know say load no be reduce before?
Oh, yeah, I know.
So why didn't you mention before last when you did the down?
That one couldn't come again.
Because what?
That one couldn't come in our parent class.
So when you're doing the work, you also check. You can change your mind depending on the load. I want you to explain it clearly.
Depending on the load.
Yeah, but you don't get what I'm trying to ask. You knew we're going 3 already.
Yeah.
You knew
We didn't know we are going 3.
Well, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Maybe there's going to be a 4th, but let's say 3 already. We've decided we're going to use 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. As in 3 aside, 3 aside. So you knew that before.
Yeah.
So why now you've decided to change the load? That's what I'm asking. But you know already.
Yeah.
Last year.
As you are going top, you have to.
But we've only gone top 1. So why have you decided the load should change?
Oh, you have to change. Because of the load.
Mm-hmm. But you knew the load already.
Yeah.
I don't understand. I don't get your answer. Like maybe there's a good reason. The load reason is a good reason. But you knew about the load already. So why have you now decided to change? That's what I'm trying to find out. I didn't hear who decided to change load. Yes. I didn't say yes, so now you say yeah, got 3.
I shall say that this is strong.
It's strong. Okay. Foundation is strong. So if the foundation is strong,
if you are going hard to use
less and less. So that's why this block is hollow. And the upstairs. So that means up. Why don't you do up 5? 5 hollow.
The 4th one. That side we use 5 hollow.
5 hollow. So as you're going up, okay. So the next one will be what? 6 hollow.
Upstairs.
Okay. So as you're going up, you're reducing the load. Okay, fine. But the load, this is tough. The load, these beams carry the load. So why would you reduce it? Why wouldn't you make it strong all the way throughout?
Oh.
Because I saw a building, the one I was telling you about, 8 inch hollow.
Yeah.
They use high tension rod.
60 mm.
They use 20 mm.
20 mm. Yeah.
So he used it all the way through to the 4th. But the 4th one, to be fair, was open. So why have you decided to reduce it as you go up? I know because of the load.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is you knew about the load before.
Yeah.
So why have you changed your mind now? And I didn't even know. I calmed down.
Yeah.
And then I was just walking around and I saw it. Then I asked the steel, and he said, which is not a bad idea. I like it. But what I don't understand is why have you decided? So are you going to make it 2 as you go up? So now you're gonna make it 3. No. Wait.
Rod.
Rod no.
At 4.
A question.
That's last.
Last.
So that means when the next.
I wanted to ask him in Ewe,
Yeah.
why did he, if he knew already that it's going to change, if he knew it was going 3 already, why has he decided now to change it? I know it's because of the load, but he knew there was load already.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask him in Ewe, because I think I'm not explaining myself in truth.
You say it is normal
To reduce it as you go up.
because it's like you are climbing a step.
I get the reducing bit. I want them to be
You see,
okay.
when you put 6 inches on the floor
Yeah.
and put another 6 inches,
There's-
there's more load on it. So
But
as
the
you
load
climb
is
it,
not on the blocks. The load is on the pillars. So the pillars could still remain. It can still remain 6 all the way through.
but the foundation will be
The down one, the load is down. As you are going, you have to load.
Okay. You have to reduce it so you get lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter. So
So
that
that we're down, but you don't affect the down.
okay. Or if it's too heavy,
Yeah.
it will affect the down.
you see that the down.
Okay.